What's up, soldiers? Chris here, Caribbeanpot.com. I come to you today with great excitement. Now, you saw me tease this on Instagram, so if you're not following me yet, you're missing out. Instagram at Caribbeanpot. But little old Caribbeanpot and your boy Chris is live, L-I-V-E, on the Amazon Echo. I kid you not. All you gotta say is, Alexa, open Caribbeanpot. Check it out, you're gonna love it. And this is basically how you would do it. So as you see, I have the Alexa Echo open there. Alexa, open Caribbeanpot.
Welcome to Caribbeanpot. Discover recipes from Caribbeanpot.com. Here are some of our favorites, or try searching for an ingredient or dish name. What would you like to search for?
To get started with the Caribbeanpot on Alexa, you will need to download the Skillshare app. So you would go wherever you get your apps for your Echo Show and download Caribbeanpot. Alexa, curry recipes.
Here are some recipes for curry. Try asking Alexa to start first recipe.
So there you go, you can search recipes by ingredient as well as I just showed you there. Alexa, open first recipe.
Curry chickpeas with potato and spinach from Caribbeanpot. There are 13 ingredients. Would you like to hear ingredients or hear instructions?
Alexa, start recipe. So yes, you can have her list out all the ingredients if you
I'll
want.
read the directions one step at a time. At any time, you can ask me to move to the next step.
So
Step
here
1,
you'll see the
heat a
text
wide pan
and the
over
actual
medium flame,
video,
then add the vegetable
the ingredients in the next
oil.
step.
As it comes to temperature, turn the heat down to low and go in with the onion and garlic. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes on that low heat.
Alexa, next step.
Step 2, add the cumin seeds, along with the Scotch bonnet pepper and freshly ground black pepper and cook another 1 to 2 minutes.
Alexa, next step.
Step 3, add the curry powder and stir, keeping the heat on low. Cook for 3 to 5 minutes.
Alexa, list ingredients.
Here are the ingredients. 2 tablespoons vegetable oil, 0.5 onion, 4 cloves garlic, half a teaspoon cumin seeds, 0.5 Scotch bonnet pepper, 0.25 teaspoons freshly ground black pepper, 2.5 tablespoons curry powder, 1 teaspoon green Caribbean seasoning, 3 potatoes, 1 can chickpeas, 7.5 cups fresh baby spinach, half a teaspoon salt, 2.5 cups water.
And as you can see, all the recipes comes with images and the names. For instance, let's click on this one here.
And a spicy white wine tomato sauce from Caribbeanpot. There are 15 ingredients. Would you like to hear ingredients or hear instructions?
Start recipe.
Okay, I'll read the directions one step at a time. At any time, you can ask me to move to the next step. Step 1,
Next
in a large
step.
pan over medium heat. Add olive oil.
And you can move
shallot,
along,
and
like
garlic.
as you proceed, you can go to the next step.
Step 2, season with ground black pepper and add the
Alexa,
chili pepper
next
and
step.
Step 3, add in tomato paste and mix well. Cook for a minute.
Alexa, next step.
Step 4, deglaze the pan with white wine. Raise the heat. to
Alexa,
reduce the
next
warm
step.
bath.
And as you can see, you can just
Step
work
5,
your way through.
add in the canned tomatoes and using a wooden spoon break apart the tomatoes.
Alexa, back to recipe.
Caribbeanpot. There are 13 ingredients. Would you like to hear ingredients or hear instructions?
So not only does it show the ingredients, the step-by-step, and the voice commands, it also tells you how long it takes to do one of these recipes. I don't know if you guys saw at the start there.
Welcome to Caribbeanpot.
See, 15 minutes, 45 minutes. You can rank the recipes by
Here are some of our
stars
favorites,
as well.
or try searching for an ingredient or dish name. What would you like to search for? Welcome.
Alexa, close Caribbean Pot.